Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Carla Garcia, she is 29 years old, currently resides in New Britain. She is a lifelong resident of the state of Connecticut. Not currently employed. Some high school education reported to our office. No substance use issues, but some mental health issues have been reported. In regards to cases, no pending matters, Your Honor. Last conviction was April of 2019, again out of New Britain, assault in the third degree. She was placed on a 1 year suspended, 2 years probation. No other criminal record found for Ms. Garcia. In regards to this matter, bond was set at $5 million. That bond appears appropriate. I recommend that bond remain as set.
Set at $5 million. State is asking for special conditions of no contact with Jonathan.
Count one, I believe it's count one, but your client is entitled to probable cause hearing.
Yes, Judge.
Is she aware of that?
We talked to 3 things. Asking to have the excludable time at this point until the next court date.
So what court date are you requesting?
11/14, please.
Now, with respect to the probable cause hearing, is there an objection to the court excluding the time calculating the time within which that hearing must be held?
No, Judge, we have investigation that we need to be doing.
Okay, so the time between now and November 14th is excluded for purposes of calculating the time within which probable cause hearing met conditions as requested by the state. Bond is going to be ordered post.
Authorization for my counsel. May I have just a moment with him, please?
The public defender is appointed and assigned counsel is authorized.
You, Judge.
Thank you. Mr. Bilkers.
Yes, Your Honor. So Mr. Nita is 30 years old, outstanding out of New Britain Police Department. Date of the warrant is October 11th of this year. Destroying or tampering with evidence. The bond on that matter is $750,000. So again, that's still outstanding at the New Britain Police Department. Most recent convictions, December 9th of 2022 out of New Britain. Interfering, 364 days jail consecutive. Reckless endangerment in the first degree on the same file. Again, 364 days jail consecutive. He also had a violation of probation. The probation was terminated on that same date. Underlying charge was a burglary in the first degree. He pled out in that in 2014 out of GA 15. It was 12 years after 6 years to serve, 5 years probation. The underlying charge was burglary in the second degree, 5 years jail concurrent. In a larceny first on that file, which was a
State is asking that bond remain as set at $5 million. State is asking for non-financial.
burglary in the second degree conviction in 2015. On this matter, same thing. The bond was set at $5 million. That appears appropriate. Recommend at least that bond remain as set.
I'm going to echo Attorney O'Neill's request that he not be ordered to cooperate with DCF.
Attorney Longwell, objection to the time between now and November 14th being excluded for purposes of calculating the time within which.
Get out of here, get out of the courtroom, leave the courtroom, leave the courtroom now, get out of the courtroom.
Mr. Bill, Commissioner.
Yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. So Ms. Garcia, she is 28 years of age, residing in New Britain, has been there for 2 months, lifelong resident of the state of Connecticut. Not currently employed at this time, was looking for warehouse-style work, does have high school education and a little bit beyond that as well. Some medical issues reported to our office, prior substance use, no mental health issues reported. In regards to cases, she is currently on parole. There is a parole remand lodge. She's on parole out of a case for New Britain, pled on September 11th. So she pled out in New Britain, September 11th, 2024, risk of injury to a child.
Attorney Roker.
Your Honor, did review this warrant. Your Honor.
Remand has been lodged. The max date for that parole is April 19th of 2026. That is her only criminal conviction on this matter. Bond was
Is going to ask that bond remain as set on the warrant at $1 million. State would ask for the following non-financial.
Clerk's office.
Yes, Your Honor, I have provided them to the clerk's office and with a copy to the court monitor.
Attorney.
Your Honor, I don't have not a lot of money for bond. The parole hold, obviously, just ask for a reasonable one.
Sure, surety. I'm going to order that you have no contact with those individuals who are identified by Attorney Roberg. I am not going to order in cooperation with DCF to the extent that I think that could have an impact on
That'll be on the Parole docket.
Yes.